Guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to make Ankara earring. These are the materials we'll be using. This Ankara fabric. This is my paper scissors. This is my fabric scissors. A stick gum. I hope you can see this. This is my earring hook and marker. We are going to be needing A4 paper for your pattern paper. Okay, so just fold one side like this, and we are going to draw a love shape. Okay, this one is small. Let me make it bigger. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off. Okay, this is it. Let me trim off this part a bit. Okay, so this is the type of earring that we'll be making. And the next thing I'm going to do is to use this to draw out on the marker. I'm going to draw and cut out 4 of this shape on the marker. Okay, so just hold it like that and trace it and cut it out. After cutting and tracing, now this is what it looks like. And the next thing you want to do is to take your fabric. You're also going to place this, and you're going to also trim and cut out. So while you are doing this, before you cut out, you can see I've trimmed out that shape. So you're going to add half an inch. Okay, this is half an inch. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting out from this half an inch. Okay, this is it. So I'll cut this another fabric for the 3 of them. When this is done, now we are going to add a stick gum to this. You can use your U-issue to also do this. You can use your U-issue to do it, or your B6000 gum. Any gum that you have available, you can use it to make this. I'm just applying gum, and I'm going to wait for it a bit to dry before I gum into the fabric. Okay, I'm going to just flip it over. fabric to dry. We are going to be folding in. Before you fold in, notch your earring before you start folding in. When that is done, okay, the next thing to do is to pierce a hole where this is going to stay. This is what I'm going to use to make my piercing. Okay, then you take your earring hook. You want to open it a bit. You put it in. Okay, you close it. That is it. I'm just going to be joining this to this. It's just as simple as that. I'm going to do the same here. Okay, so when that is done, it's for us to apply my plastic gum on this. We'll allow it to dry. Applying gum, you wait for it a bit to dry. You're going to stick it together. that is it, guys. As simple as that. Okay. And we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.